Chances for storms are back in the forecast on Monday, especially during the afternoon and evening. Went ahead and went weather aware. Damage and wind potential, that's the main threat. Flooding is secondary. Now hail, tornadoes, those are low, but not zero. So all hazards are possible tomorrow afternoon and evening. As of right now, we are tracking a few storms mainly north of us. Here's a Knoxville view looking north. If you look closely, you might be able to see some lightning. 81 in Knoxville, wind light out of the south-southeast. Now tomorrow, that will actually turn to the west-northwest. We have a weak cold front moving in, but that will serve as a trigger for those storms tomorrow. As of right now, East Tennessee looks quiet. As we zoom out, though, severe storm did roll through Harlan County earlier during the evening, but that storm is continuing to push eastward, and with it, those strong winds, severe winds making their way east of us. But for our counties, not seeing any severe weather. As we zoom out, though, we do have one strong storm, so under severe levels, but with this cell in portions of Bell County, making its way into Bell County, frequent lightning, some heavy rain with that cell, and we could see some gusty winds as well. Under severe levels, I do expect these storms to continue to weaken as we go throughout the overnight. Here are 6 predictors showing those storms weakening and then pushing eastward by around 1 o'clock in the morning. Just a model, but I think it's doing a pretty good job as of right now. Tomorrow, are the models doing a good job? Might be a different story, but here's tonight, mid-70s, not cooling down much with the increase in clouds with a slight breeze. I'm not too worried about fog overnight, but maybe some locally dense fog tomorrow morning. Shouldn't be all that widespread. Tomorrow is going to be a hot day. Heat advisory has been extended. We're back up in the mid-90s, which is above normal. Heat index value in the 100s. It is going to be a scorcher. Another day with a high risk for that heat illness. So make sure to hydrate, practice heat safety as well. Keep an eye on the radar and have multiple ways to receive severe weather alerts. Here is that storm threat for tomorrow. It's a 2 out of 5 in that yellow. Damage and wind gusts, main threat, isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Could see some hail, but the main threat looks to be the wind, and that's mainly for the afternoon, evening hours. Scattered severe storms will be a possibility. Here's a computer model. Shows a quiet morning. It's during the afternoon where we could see some isolated cells and then going into clusters, eventually potentially coming into a line and then making its way south of the area Monday evening. I think it's around 3 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 or 8, probably the best chance for those severe storms. Maybe a little bit longer into the evening, but after midnight, Monday night into Tuesday, I think we dry out pretty quickly. Here is that flood threat, a 1 out of 4 low end, but if we can see training storms, that might be a little bit higher tomorrow. Tuesday, a little cooler, but still it's going to be a hot day. Not much cooling behind that summer front. Comfortcast looking a little bit better Tuesday and Wednesday, but really it's not cooling down all that much. These summertime fronts usually don't bring the fall-like feels, and that's not going to happen. We're back in the low 90s Thursday, entering more of an active pattern. Spotty storms Thursday and Friday. Next weekend, a few questions. I think there will still be some daily chances for storms, but a little cooler, but still not yet feeling like fall. I'm just waiting for some...
You're counting down the days, waiting for that fall weather to come, huh?
It's bound to come sooner.
Well, coming up, Candace Parker